Okay guys, so we have two email accounts and you want to change YouTube from one mail account to second. There is no problem, we can do that. Let's go on YouTube. So let's just see, I have account 1 and account 2. Let's say we want to switch from account 1 to account 2. First we have to click to Creator Studio and I'll just show you how to do that. This is the new YouTube interface. If you have the old one, you just click here and Creator Studio. And we go to YouTube settings, this little icon. So we're gonna create a new channel, account 1 example. Okay, great. Now we created a brand account for our YouTube. So this is our new channel. We have two accounts now, okay? So this is the first one, this is the second one. We want to switch the account. We're gonna click on it. Let's go back to Creator Studio and let's go back to our YouTube settings. And now what we want to do is go to Advanced Settings tab. And we can click it, Move Channel to Brand Account. Now we have a brand account. And we are just going to do that, we are just going to remove. So available account, it's this one. And it will be on this one. Of course, you can keep the same name. You should keep the same name because you don't want to change your name, but it's fine. If you move to your channel to brand account, account 1X, the currently connected channel will be deleted. Yeah, okay. So now we are just basically moving it with the new name, but it's gonna be the same name, you see? Currently connected account, connect with the brand account. Yay, move channel. Okay, so now it's done. It takes up to 10 minutes for updates to be completed, but it's usually instantly. Now you have this thing, and this is our account. Okay, it's our account. We can click more accounts. We can see owner account, no channel. So there is no channel on our email now, just because this account has been moved here with a different name. I put it a different name just so you guys can see actually what's happening here. So basically this thing moved to this thing. You see 0 subscribers, no public videos, that's our channel. So now we can actually move that brand channel to another email account. So basically all we have to do is get our email, go to Creator Studio, our new email, and we are going to add people as manager, and we are going to transfer them an account. It's easy thing to do. Let's go to YouTube settings again. Basically now we have our brand account, which was our old account. We can click add or remove managers. So what are we going to do? Manage permissions. We are going to add something. This is our second account. This is our second account. Choose a role, owner. Okay. Invite. Now we are inviting users. And this is my first email. This is my second email. So this is the second email. There is an email. Hey, we received an invitation. Accept. Sure. Fine. I will be an owner of this. Okay, fine. So now we can see we are owner and account 1 is primary owner. So we are just going to go to account 1. Let's go here. And we will go to Creator Studio. One more time. It's all that we have to do. Just go to Creator Studio and do your stuff. So basically, add or remove managers. Manage permissions. And we will set this account as the primary owner. So this account is now primary owner. Oh, we must wait 1 day before the account can be primary owner. But yeah, actually we can, in 1 day we can make this primary owner. And then with this one we can just exit, we can remove it from another account. So the old email is gone and the new email is here, which I will just show you right now. Let's just rename this account. I don't want any confusion to happen. Our main account. Yay, I should do that in the start of this tutorial, but at least you guys can see what's happening now. So we have account 1, account 2, and our main account, which both of them has access to now. So basically, YouTube, and this is account 1, it has access to our main account. Okay. And then this is account 2 that has access to our main account, and I can just click here, our main account, and I'm on our main account actually. You see our main account. This name didn't change, it takes a while to upload, but I can upload anything as account 2 example. So basically this is account 2 example. It's the second mail, as you can see, and account 1 is still owner, but we can just set primary owner. After 1 day, after 24 hours, remove it. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope I helped you, and good luck.